welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I didn't post the past week, but I actually had a competition and then right after that a conference, so I was like really busy, like actually this time. But today we will have a name program, as you can see by the title, nameprogram.py, and it basically just prints out the initials of my name using the Python package turtle. By the way, this is not a real turtle, this is a package turtle, but I mean it kind of does look like a turtle though, and it is pretty cute. So let's run it. And see, it looks like a little turtle. And now it's gonna print out my initials, RB. Here's the B. And look at those 3 little periods. They're so cute, honestly. But this is basically all my code, and this sets up the turtle, and then over here, it basically prints out an R shape, and I know this is not the most efficient way to do it, but I mean it's the most easiest, and I don't want to create like if loops because that would be like way too complicated, at least for me. And this is the B shape, and these are the 3 periods, as you can see over here, 1, 2, 3, x dot stamp, x dot stamp, x dot stamp. And I can also change the color, so instead of green, maybe I can do like orange, because you know orange is, well, orange is not that good of a color, sorry, but it's the only color I can think of right now. And see, it prints out orange. And we can also change the background color. We can, instead of light blue, we can do like pink. That will probably make the orange look ugly, but let's see. Hey, it doesn't look that bad. Pink looks pretty good, honestly. And I can make it draw like another shape instead of an R, like a P or something, but since these are my initials, then I'm gonna do RB. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so thank you if you do. Anyways, I hope to see y'all in the next video. Bye!